everyone, welcome to the second day of Intersolar 2025, a platform where you can witness the evolving landscape of renewable energy sector. Let's dive into the latest information and technologies of Grew Solar. Welcome to Renewable Mirror, sir. So, sir, can you please shed some light on the technical specifications of your newly launched product at Intersolar 2025?
Okay, so we have launched this TopCon product, 635 watt peak. So this is based on the G12R cell technology. So this is a larger, it's a rectangle cell which is there, and so this we are, launching now. Commercially, it will be available from next quarter.
Sir, as sustainability is talk of the town right now, so what key initiatives Grew Solar takes for the sustainability, and can you please shed some light on Grew's solar plays also?
See, we are sustainability has become a big buzzword now. So everyone is talking about it, but fact is that we can do sustainability is something we can adopt in our day-to-day lives also, and that is what we are trying to do at Grew also. So simple thing, like when you are leaving a room, you switch off the light and fan, or if you are when you are brushing your teeth, don't leave the tap on. These are all small sustainability issues. So in Grew specifically at the plant level, first of all, our plant runs completely on solar power. So we have a rooftop solar plant which runs the plant during the daytime. Second is we are recycling our water. So we have a water treatment plant. So the recycled water we use for all secondary purposes like gardening, cleaning, washing. So that we use for that. Third, we are working very closely with some of our vendors to try and make like for example some of the material which comes on these wooden pallets. So if they are local vendors, so we have pushed them into using reusable pallets. So instead of the wooden pallets, so that helps you cut less trees. So that initiative we have started with some of the our vendors. So like that we are doing lot of small initiatives.
Sir, according to you, what are the key trends that are going to dominate renewable energy sector in 2025 and beyond?
See, there's a lot happening in the renewable sector on the whole. Solar, of course, is there. Then we are having hydrogen as a big thing coming up. So green hydrogen will also give a boost to solar. Then there is EVs. You have coming up, which are again going to use solar for charging purposes, charging stations. So there's a lot happening all around, and government is also giving equal importance to all of these, and we have some very good policies which are already in place, and some more are expected to come in, which will help grow the momentum so that we hit our 2070 net zero target.
Sir, as Intersolar has emerged as one of the key events for renewable energy sector, so what kind of experience you are having over here as it's already second day?
Yeah, so Intersolar this year we've had a good crowd till now, although we would have expected more. So one is always hungry for more. But yes, this is largely focused on this Western India. So we really don't get customers here from all across. But yes, the purpose of our being present here is to meet all our stakeholders who are coming here. They might be our vendors, they might be our distributors, dealers, customers, our financiers, investors. So all of them, so the idea is to interact with them, bring them on the same page, brief them on what we are doing, what we plan to do.
Thank you so much, sir, for sharing your views with us. We wish you all the best for the upcoming projects.